Ciao raga, that in Italian means hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook a real Italian pasta and in the same time save energy. It's a little life hack because we are in an energy crisis, so we need to save energy, and this is a little small tip but I think it's really useful, so I'm gonna show you now. If you are new, I'm Cora, I'm an Italian girl, and basically on my channel I share my life as an Italian girl in Italy. But first I want to do a little shout out and thank you Amy for your comment. Thank you for teaching me some new words. I like this, that on my channel I can teach you some Italian, you can teach me guys some English, so we can help each other. And thank you so much. I would like to do a little shout out in every video from now, so if you want to comment I will pick some comments each time. And so as I said, today, like in the previous video, I showed you one way to cook pasta. Today I'm gonna show you the second way, really easy, and in the same time you're gonna save energy. So let's go. Also, what do you think about my curly hair? I really like them. Really soft, curly, natural. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, let's go back to cook pasta. As always, first of all, we need pasta. I think this, yeah, it's a package that, as you can see, it's already open. Oh my god, as you can see, this is another brand of pasta. It's Braga, wait, I'm gonna open it so you can read. So, this is, the name of the brand is Pastificio Bragagnolo, and as you can see, the name is spaghettoni, that it means, how to say that, like bigger spaghetti, I don't know. And anyway, it's a kind of spaghetti, and so I think I'm gonna go with this one. And now I'm gonna show you better. So we have the pasta. Second thing that we need is a pot. I'm gonna use this one and gonna add some water. So just add water. So I'm gonna show you closer. Until here it's fine. Let's turn the fire on. And let's wait until it's boiling. And guys, here we have the tomato sauce handmade by my mom, and I don't know, maybe the next recipe should be this tomato sauce from scratch, like the tomato sauce recipe, handmade from scratch. What do you think? Meanwhile, let's prepare the pasta. Usually, as I said in the previous video, if you didn't watch it, go to check it out. In my family, we usually eat around 100 grams for each person. So as you can see, it's 100. Okay guys, it's boiling. Now let's add salt. Okay. Like this, for 2 times. 1 and 2. Let's add pasta. don't cut them, just push them down. Wait. Okay, mix a little bit. Okay. Close. Wait around 30-40 seconds. And close. And now, Alexa, timer 12 minuti. So as you can see, this is Cottura, is the cooking time, 11-12 minutes. So basically what I did, I put spaghetti inside the pot while it was boiling. Mix it a little bit, close the pot, I'm not sure how to say that. Close the pot, wait some like around 30-40 seconds. Inside it's still boiling, of course. So after 30-40 seconds, just, I said close, but I think it's turn off the fire. I don't think it's close. I think it's turn off the fire. And from that moment, start the timer. So I asked Alexa to put the timer. I love her anyway. And so basically, spaghetti are cooking, like we are cooking spaghetti without any fire. We call it, I don't know how you say that. In Italian we say gas, but I think, I'm not sure how you call it. Anyway, so you can save that, you don't need to have the fire the whole time. I'm not sure how to say it in English, but I think you got what I mean. So we don't need to keep the fire for like 12 minutes. So you can save that 12 minutes. That, okay, it's just a small step, right? A small tip, but still I think it's useful, so why not? Okay, so now let's wait. As you saw from the video, it depends from your pot. For example, from my pot, some water went outside, but okay, it's fine. I'm gonna clean it in any case after, so I don't think it's a problem. But it depends from your pot. Maybe you have another kind and you will not have any problem like this. So, but anyway, after 30-40 seconds, just turn the fire off. And in my house we have this like we cook with fire. I'm not sure how to say that. In Italian we say gas, but anyway, I think it should be the same also if you have an electric kitchen or something like that. So in case, try and let me know, but it should be the same. And you can save like 10-12 minutes of energy. Yeah, I hope it makes sense for you guys. Hi guys, 12 minutes after, turn on the fire again. Okay. And let's go to taste. Okay, we have it. And it's fine. Guys, always check the cooking time because that should be the perfect, gonna give you the perfect result. So it's perfect. We say al dente when it's not too soft. Anyway, if you like it a little bit softer, cook it a little bit more, but not too much, please. So now we need a colander, I think, colander, I'm not sure, colander, I don't know. This, anyway, thank you, Emmy, for the new word. Okay, a little bit of cold water, and let's go. Now, let's go back in the pot, and let's go back on the fire. So guys, now here we have the sauce. let's add the sauce and mix. We need a little bit more. Oh, this sauce is amazing, guys. Okay, here we are, and ready. I turned the fire off, and now we are ready to eat. Just one small step. One more step. Of course, Parmesan cheese. And this is the final result, guys. Now I'm gonna try. Okay, guys, I'm trying. In Italian, it's hand gesture, it means tasty. Amazing, guys. Really, really nice. So this is gonna be my lunch. Gonna eat all now. And so this was another way to cook pasta and meanwhile save some energy. That could be gas, electricity, I don't know, it depends from your kitchen. I hope it was clear, I hope it was easy. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try it, if you find it easy, useful. I will pick some comments and every time do a shout out. And let me know what recipe should I do next. Maybe the sauce from scratch, but I need my mom's help because I'm not really good at cooking. So thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Remember to subscribe and remember to turn the notification on so you will not miss any other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, ciao.